Hey guys, what's up? Eli here. In this video, I want to talk to you about how to navigate the emotional roller coaster that is paid advertising. This is a massive problem that I see a lot of beginners face when they're just starting out with paid ads. They are just far too emotionally attached to the performance of their ads. And I don't just mean when your ads are underperforming, I also am talking about the emotional connection that I see a lot of people have when their ads are overperforming as well. Because the truth is you can't have one without the other. If you are emotionally connected to the positive results, you are equally going to be as connected to the negative results. So this video, guys, I want to talk to you about your mindset when it comes to running paid ads, because if your mindset isn't locked in, you are going to struggle. And this isn't just Facebook specific. This is across any advertising platform that you choose to spend your advertising dollars on. If you do not have the right mindset when it comes to paid ads, you are forever going to struggle, and not just struggle financially, you're also going to struggle mentally with your mental health, okay? It's going to take its toll, and that is as equally as important, your mental health, as your financial success. So this video, guys, hopefully by the end of it, you'll understand how to think about running paid ads, how to hopefully see the bigger picture. So stay tuned. If you haven't, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well. It really does mean a lot to me. Paid ads, okay? Understand paid ads is a roller coaster, okay? And you have to detach and remove yourself from that ride, okay? It is not a ride that you want to be on. So your paid ads, they're going to look like this, right? This might be over a week. This might be over a month, this might be over a day, depending on how kind of frequently you look at your ads. It's going to really look like this. There are ebbs and there are flows, okay? There are ups and there are downs, and your good days make up for your bad days, okay? What I see, the big problem is people get far too emotionally attached to their results. Starting here, people are gonna get happy, and then their ad performance the next day might decrease and they're upset, okay? They're not happy. They think, oh, you know, why isn't it working for me? They start thinking, should I turn my ads off? You know, what's going on, right? Then they get happy again because maybe the day after they make some profit, their performance has increased. But the next day after that, or maybe 2 days after that, their ads dip in performance again, okay? And you know, for maybe those 2-3 days in that performance dip, I don't mean you're unprofitable. You could still be profitable in that dip. It's just not as performing as well. But you're upset, okay? You're not happy. But then your ads, maybe it gets closer to the weekend, your performance increases again, okay? And you're happy again, and it just keeps going on and on and on, and you are emotionally attached to your results. And I see a lot of beginners get this, right? And they might be in this trough, and they think that they need to turn their ads off, right? They think, oh, my ads didn't get me the results I wanted for that day, I'm gonna just turn them off. And they just turn all of the rest of this off. And that is a massive mistake. I'm a big advocate for when you are looking at your data, for looking over a longer extended period. On your ads dashboard, you have the ability to, you know, choose your viewing window. You should be keeping an eye on your ads day to day, but definitely do not get emotionally attached. Make all of your decisions based on a window of 3 to 7 days. That's usually what I recommend. But that said, the longer the better. I usually make my decisions on whether I turn an ad off usually after a 7-day period, okay? I really, even if it's not performing, some people might say, oh, you're just wasting money, okay? You're just burning that money. I just like having, you know, that more informed decision. I know that if something isn't working, I really want to be sure that it's not working before I turn it off. That's why I leave it, okay? Even if that means I spend a few extra dollars getting that informed, data-driven decision that yes, it hasn't worked for 5 days, you know, it's been unprofitable for 5 days, I will now turn it off, okay? That's what I like doing, but definitely do not turn your ads off after 1 day if they do not perform as well, okay? What you need to be concerned about is this, okay? We talked about how your ads will have ebbs and flows. You need to be concerned with the mean, okay? The regression to the mean. It will go up, it will go down, it will go up, it will go down. Where is the middle ground? Okay, where is that line that actually is like the average that tells you whether or not you are truly profitable or not? Okay, because for me personally, if I'm running a campaign and that campaign might be unprofitable for 2 days in the week, but then the last 5, it is profitable, and over that 7-day window, right, it averages out that I am profitable, I will not turn it off, okay? And that's why I really encourage you to look at your data over a longer period so you can get that average, that mean, that true data. It's really important, okay? Because I just see way too many of you guys, you're looking at it like this and not like this. Okay, if something for me is profitable over a month, but it's not profitable over a week, I will leave it on. Why would you turn it off? If it is making you money, it might not be making you money in the short term, but long term it is profitable, you will keep it on. That's what I want you guys to be thinking about. Do not get emotionally attached. Look at your data over a longer period of time so you can see that true data, that mean, okay? Whether you are actually making money. That way you can remove yourself from that emotional roller coaster and you can just look and make educated and informed decisions based on your ad performance. So that's it for this video, guys. Get off that roller coaster. It is not worth it. You know, you're gonna struggle with your ad performance and you're gonna struggle with your emotional health when you are that attached to the performance of your ads on a day-to-day basis. Want any help at all building, growing, or scaling your e-commerce business? Click the link below this video, schedule a call with me, and we'll have a chat, friendly chat, and we'll see if we're a good fit to work together. If not, that's all good too. But that's it for this video, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.